Hello. He has no legs.
Yeah.
The tank takes. Record this.
Dice, please. Oh, nice booty hole. Nice booty. Maybe I can repair it.
You look like a fucking. You look like a Star Wars character, by the way.
Me?
Your character, yes.
Oh. Hey, a tunnel. I will fix your legs. The Legend of the Tank Hunter. Come on, babe. Come on, baby.
Let's go to E, mate.
Good job, buddy. Okay.
Nice.
Good stuff.
Very
Oh,
nice.
oh, nice. Nice microphone quality.
What do you mean?
Oh, dice. Love it. Love the
Okay, what the
texture.
fuck?
Okay, this is a bit stiff. This almost looks like a D-Day landing or something. It actually does. This reminds you of the D-Day. Yeah, okay. This reminds me of the D-Day landings. Okay. Oh, I actually like this capture point. Oh. Nice. And the bunker here, without lighting it. Oh my god, my English. Look, this is just like D-Day. Come on.
Okay.
D-Day landings, mate. Ammo's for you. Reminds me of the D-Day.
Take this ammunition.
If they make a TDM map out of this, they should take this island. Pretty cool.
Is there even any cover here?
Well, yeah, trenches in the middle.
Okay.
Let's take the boat. Do we have a horn? Is it possible to kill the destroyer with a repair tool?
Yeah, I don't know.
If so, I'm going to be the one that will be the first support player that destroyed a destroyer with a repair tool. So let's give the L back to that destroyer. Okay. I think the Parabellum will be a great weapon on this map, or any other weapon on the support class, because the planes are just dominating the air. Because they are the only vehicles that can even be in the air. Okay. But I still think D is my favorite sector. Because it looks like a D-Day landing.
Where are we going? Give orders, dude.
We've got to capture the position.
Ah, Danny! The main gun of the destroyer is really weak. It only does 9 damage to other destroyers. Wait. Oh my god, Miko, you are a ghost. Ooh, that looks beautiful, mate. I really dig it. The fitness lessons really work
Yeah,
out.
sure. Were you next to me? Did you not do anything about this guy?
Take it.
I wasn't next to you. I was.
Yes, you were. You just fucking ran past me.
I was in my dreams.
As usual, you can count on Hiluka to do nothing.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I seriously have a feeling that the C96 has been nerfed. Because it shoots. It has a better rate of fire in the vanilla game. Oh, beautiful.
The pistol?
Oh. Oh, that AA gun is destroying us.
Jump!
No way!
Ah! Hiluka! Shut the fuck up!
Sorry. Oh my god. Oh.
Okay, we need to. All we need to do is swim 300 meters. Go for it! Oh wait, you're dead. No, you're not. Oh my god.
Was that ear rape for you?
Yes.
I killed the destroyer with the repair tool. I told you what's going to happen.
Oh, what the fuck? Did you record that?
I recorded it.
Oh my! Yes! Yes! Oh my fucking god!
Good stuff.
Yes!